Hello, this is the introduction video about automation and how we use Selenium and Python. So, this is the YouTube description which I will be using daily. So, the main problem is I have to change the problem name and the number here. I just did a random number here, and also the problem link, right? So I have to change it daily for my YouTube uploads. So what I thought is, what if I just automate these two tasks, just like how I can change the problem number and name and also the problem link. So I'm just closing this. This is the first one which opens the Chrome actually, and then gets the problem name and also the problem link. And this is another thing which changes the Word file. Let us run that. So I'm running the Python script LeetCode POTD.python. I'm running it now. We need to wait for some time. It will open the Chrome and then it will go to the problem link. Actually, I'll tell you how it will do this all in the next video, right? So it will get the POTD name and also the POTD link, the problem of the day link. Now let us go and change. Let us run the second script, update YouTube description, right? Update YT description, right? So by running this, see, updated yt description.docx, nothing but document successfully deleted POTD data dot text. So this one will be saved in a file named POTD data dot text. Now let us open the Word file and see whether our POTD name and also the description has link has changed or not. So yeah, it has changed, right? And also the problem link. Let us copy this. If I paste it over here, then I'll get actual problem link. So I'll be going with the next video with how I will do it and also how we'll use Selenium Python for automation. Thank you.